Hey guys, welcome to my market vlog. So we will see what happened on in market on 6th of October 2020. So the news of the day was the Tata Motors. So Tata Motors JLR sales jumped 50% sequentially in September quarter. Sales they are mostly supported by the China and Europe. JLR is a big component for the Tata Motors. There was a news about the Indian sales also, and they were also very good. They climbed 50% last this month in the month of September. So Tata Motors really making a comeback. The stock is highly beaten down from many years, I would say, and it's really a comeback candidate now. So if we check the monthly charts, you can say it was around 600 in 2015, and right now it's 144, and the low was 5064. So it's really beaten, and the stock seems to be making comeback. The stock climbed 7% today. So that was the news of the day. Let's see what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is Nifty chart, so we will just put it separately. Nifty opened with gapped up, same story, opened with gapped up and sustained the gap and actually open above 11,650 mark, which is very important. No, does not really close above 650, but it closed 11,600, which was the kind of resistance it was facing. So it's really nice close in the Nifty, and this close was supported by HDFC. We will talk about it. For the Bank Nifty also, so Bank Nifty close opened with gap up and sustained this gap up throughout the day, and it was supported by almost all the banks, especially HDFC and IndusLand, which have some news that their deposit grew very healthy this quarter. So these were the news. So let's check the FII figure. So FII pumped 1000 crore rupees in the market, which is very good sign. So they have turned positive after the big sell-off in September. We'll check advance and decline. So 1000 stocks were in advance versus 780, so it was also positive. Then we will check Nifty gainers and losers. So Nifty gainers and losers, if we go for Nifty gainers and losers, we have a Tata Motors 8% up, HDFC 7.5%, M&M 3.5%, Adani Ports 3.4%. So there was no major index which was up today. So Bank Nifty 2% up, Auto 1%, and that's all. So all index, these two index were up more than 1%, and all other are just muted. But if you see the individual stocks really performed well today. M&M, Adani Port, Asian Paints. Asian Paint is doing remarkable comeback from last few trading session. HDFC Bank. So if you check the list of losers, there's no clear pattern, but FMCG is there. You can see Britannia, you can see Nestle, and we have a Marico somewhere also. So Marico is present in FNO list. So we will check FNO gainer and loser. In gainers, we have Tata Motors, HDFC, LIC Housing. So housing finance companies and NBFC also really make comeback today. Godrej Properties, M&M, Adani Ports. So these are the major movers of the day. In losers, we have Cummins India, Idea, Sale, Marico, Jubilant Food. So FMCG's group is present here. You can see there was a Nestle also in the list. So these are the major gainer and loser of the day. Let's talk about the stock of the day. So for me there are two stock of the day. So first is Tata Motors. You can see this green bar on the price and this huge green bar on the volume. So this is very positive. I will say the close is also positive. It's about 20 DMA, 50 DMA, 200 DMA. It's trading above all of them. If you check on the weekly charts, there is a resistance around 263, which is 200 weekly DMA. It's very far, and 20 and 50 it's already close. So I think Tata Motors is set for some run in the near term. And the big stock of the day was SDFC Limited. So huge 10% gain. I would say it was a 8.36% gain in SDFC, and you can see the huge volume bar. So you can see that it never really recovered from the COVID levels, but it recovered today, and like how. So currently it's below its resistance, but the kind of price action is showing it, I think it will just surpass this resistance which is facing from last, I would say, after COVID sell-off. But I think now it will move above it and start a new journey. So it was a huge day, and it has a large weight in the index. That's why the index was also up 1.38%. So major contribution to this was from HDFC. You can see Reliance was negative, and there was no major movers except HDFC in the index. Now the last, we can check the 52 weeks high and low. So Advanced Enzyme, 8K Miles, Asian Paints. So we should check Asian Paints. Asian Paints is a fun story which keep on surprising. You can see amazing stock, amazing journey. This is how a multi-bagger looks like. Amazing stock. I wouldn't say that every investor should have it, but it's I would say sister. Bajaj Paint is also amazing. Biocon is also stock which is buzzing. There's a lot of rumors that many PE investors are looking in the biologics division. So this stock is also hovering around 52-week high. Then I would say Cadila, Dabur. So these Dabur is also amazing. So Dabur is making a huge comeback. Not comeback, but yeah. So you can see it's sell off from the top, but you can see it's closed way above the open. So and the price action is very good on the Dabur. Then we have a Infosys, Max Financial, Mindtree, lot of stocks hitting 52-week highs. I think these were the important. TCS, Tech Mahindra, IT companies are in their own zone. All of them hitting 52-week high. I don't think so there's any important 52-week low. So this is all for the day. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for listening and spending time. Signing off for the day. Thank you very much.